Hello and welcome to Nikolay's genetics lessons, and today we are going to build a Venn diagram based on this information. Thus, I didn't find a problem with enzymes or proteins, so we are going to solve this problem using example where 30 students play 3 different sports. So here's a problem. Make a Venn diagram for the following situation. 30 students will ask which sport they play. Some of the students play 1 sport, some play 2 sports, and some play 3 sports. So when we analyzing this problem, we have to build 3 overlapping circles. Next step, let's put 1 sport in each circle. For example, this circle is going to be basketball, and this one is going to be football, and this one stands for the tennis. In this type of problem, we start analyzing with position where, in our case, all 3 sports would overlap and would represent this sector. And we see that 7 people play all 3 sports. So we put 7 here. Next, we have to find those positions where we also have overlap, but in this case, this is going to be where 2 sports overlap. For example, 9 play football and tennis. So football and tennis play 9 people, but we already have 7 here. So 9 minus 7 would give us that 2. We are going to put here people who play both tennis and football. So don't forget that 7 people play all 3 sports. So 7 plus 2, 9 people play both football and tennis. Where these 2 circles overlap, we have 9 people in this intersection. So we can cross out this and we can go to the next. 11 people play basketball and football. So football and basketball, and 11 people. We already have in this section 7, so 11 minus 7 is going to be 4. So we put 4 here, and total is going to be 11 people who play both basketball and football. Next, we know that 10 people play basketball and tennis. So this is basketball, this is tennis, and we know that 10 people play. 10 minus 7 is going to give us 3. So we put 3 people here. Total is going to be 10. Next, we know that 15 play tennis in total. So this circle represents people who play tennis. So 15 minus 3 minus 7 minus 2, so 15 minus 12 is going to be 3. So we put 3 people who play exclusively tennis and nothing else. But altogether, this is going to be 15 people who play tennis. Some play it exclusively, some also play other sports, and some play 3 sports. Next, 16 play football in total. So the circle represents those people who play football. So 16 minus 4 minus 7 minus 2, this is going to be 13. 16 minus 13 is also going to give us 3 people who exclusively play football. And lastly, we see that 20 play basketball in total. So this circle represents those who play basketball. So 20 minus 4 minus 7 minus 3, this is going to be 14, 6. So we put 6 here. And this was not our last step. Our last step would be to count all the people. So let me do it. 6 plus 4 is going to be 10, plus 3 13, plus 7 20, plus 3 23, plus 2 25, plus 3 28. But we know that 30 students will ask which sport they play. That means that we have 2 people who do not play any sport at all. So we put them outside these 3 circles. Now we have 30 people in total. Now when information represented in the form of Venn diagram, it would be easier for us to answer any question related to this situation. And this is all for today. Subscribe and see you in the next video. Goodbye.